Alright, okay. So sometimes I make super complicated cocktails with a bunch of ingredients. Today, however, I'll be making something very simple and with ingredients that everybody should have in their home bar. Well, at least if you want to be able to make classic cocktails. It's 4 ingredients, equal parts, whatever this means. Excuse me. So let's make the express and discard. So last night, 2 of my favorite regulars and great supporters of my channel walked into the bar, and after having a white mezcal Negroni, this one that I made last week, Devin asked me for something along the lines of a paper plane. I read between the lines that he wanted something with bourbon and easy drinking. So I went behind the bar and made him something, not realizing that what I did was very similar to a classic style of cocktail, the Crusta. The Crusta dates back to New Orleans in the 1850s, and it's easily recognizable with its sugar-crusted rim, hence the name, and the wide lemon peel inside of the glass. Most people associate the Crusta with a brandy Crusta, but really you can make it with any spirit. So you'll see that what I did is basically a bourbon Crusta, but with different measurements and no sugar-crusted rim, and no lemon peel inside of the glass. And I named it Express and Discard. Well, I'll tell you about the name later on in the video. We're gonna need fresh lemon juice, Maraschino Liqueur, and Maraschino Liqueur is made from Marasca cherries. However, it doesn't really taste like cherries. To me, it's a lot drier and nuttier than what you would expect from a cherry liqueur. But you need to have one of these because it's used in a lot of classic cocktails. An orange liqueur, I'm using Pierre Ferrand dry curacao, and a bourbon. I'm using Buffalo Trace, but feel free to use your favorite bourbon. And just because I haven't had this in a while, I think we're gonna have a little taste of this before I start making the drink. Three-quarter ounce of your orange liqueur. 3/4 ounce of maraschino liqueur. 3/4 ounce of lemon juice. And 3/4 ounce of your bourbon. This cocktail is going to be served up, so I'm going to shake it for a good 15 to 20 seconds just to make sure I dilute it and chill it enough. So express and discard refers to when you express a citrus peel into your cocktail, but instead of leaving the citrus peel in there as a garnish, you discard it. This is what you do for a Sazerac, or at least I do. Last night as I was making this cocktail, I had a good friend sitting at the bar and I explained this technique to him, so I thought it was a suitable name for the drink. Alright, let's give it a try. Yeah, I'm proud of myself. This is a really tasty little cocktail. It's very straightforward and you can pick up on all the flavors in there. You get the dryness and the nuttiness from the maraschino, you definitely get the orange and the citrus from the lemon, and of course the backbone from the bourbon with a little bit of oakiness to it. Very easy drinking, easy to make, totally a crowd pleaser. You can probably make this for anyone that says they don't like whiskey, and Devin and Aurora seem to like it because they ordered another one, so there's always that. Anywho, that's it for today. Jolly good, jolly rancher. I'll see you next week. Yeah, cheers. Skål. I can't ever get over how good these cherries are. Effing delicious.